Here's your roll.
Why are we doing a video though?
Because we want to.
Because we want to. We feel like it.
This looks really good.
Show your peeps.
I can't.
Ooh. That's a lot of garlic.
Yeah. Holy crap. What'd you get?
I got the same one.
Oh.
Because I knew you weren't going to share with me. Oop.
Oh, Mom!
I'm dying right now. That's hysterical. I got it though. I caught it.
Mom, why'd you drop it?
Because I'm clumsy.
I'm clumsy.
We got it. We recovered it.
Mom, I'm
Now my car is
clumsier.
just going to smell like garlic for the next.
We got, what is this?
Lobster bisque.
Locked it. It's just
You
like,
want to take the cap off?
oh, I feel like I'm gonna spill it.
Oh, don't pull on me.
What?
Lobster bisque.
They can't really see it.
Pipe down in the peanut gallery.
Why'd we get,
Well, that's the little kids'
why'd we get, ketchup?
Because some people put that on their grilled cheese. Some people are weird.
That looks good.
Here's the little kids' grilled cheese.
Mom, I want to see it. I want to eat it.
Yeah, okay. Well, hold on. I got to separate your little boxes.
I really want to try this.
Okay, go for it. Here you go, sis.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Wow.
That was very good.
Yeah, yeah? You just caused problems.
This is so good.
It's not as good as Rebel Lobster, though.
I was going to ask what your thoughts were. Rebel Lobster is... What do they cost per roll now? Are they at like 32?
I don't know.
It's like 32-ish dollars. These were 24.
Yeah.
But still damn good, in my opinion.